This is Kannan Karnat Tech Vlog. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You have several tips to reduce battery drainage and save data. This is Kannan.
To go to the settings, select the battery and save power. Complete. This is to stop the apps using the battery. There are two modes like power save mode, super power save mode. You switch on super power save mode, then you will find that the battery can last up to 12 hours 57 minutes. In this way, you can save the battery power while you are using charging or while you are not using the mobile. In this way, the battery will drain other than the previous settings. The display section indicates that high power consumption. You please reduce that to lower power consumption according to the brightness. Second thing, you can just use dark mode, because in the dark mode most of the pixels, LED or LCD or AMOLED LED pixels in black color, that it is not giving a brightness, white color or color. That power will be saved if you are using dark mode. This is one advantages of dark mode. Now third settings is that in the display itself you will find some auto screen off settings. In these settings, if the auto screen is after 30 minutes, you can switch it to 30 seconds or 1 minute according to the usage. The battery drainage will be more if you are not using settings is for 30 minutes. And while charging, the settings should be very minimum after 30 seconds or after 15 seconds, so that your mobile phone will be charged quickly than before. Use Wi-Fi. You switch on the Wi-Fi and use your mobile, because the battery drainage will be more if you are using mobile data. If you are using Wi-Fi, the battery drainage will be lesser. You switch on personal hotspot and you watch YouTube, any movies in computer, so that your mobile battery drainage will reduce, because you are not using the display. That's why it is advisable to use hotspot and use a laptop and TVs to watch movies. If you have unwanted apps, please uninstall those apps. If you are using number of apps, the battery will drain faster. You have to remove the app which you are not using. In this way, you can just save the battery life. Another settings is that force stop. You have to select the app info. Here you can see that force stop option. Please force stop these settings. If you are doing that for the number of apps which you are not using, the battery life will increase or the battery will charge faster than before. This is another way to save the battery. Settings, you have some settings called software update. If you go to those settings, if you have some updates, please update those software, because battery optimization will be updated, so that in the new app your battery life will increase. You go to that apps, select app info. Here you will see storage usage. Here you have cache. You do clear cache. Now the cache is 0B. If you are doing so in all the apps, then the battery drainage will reduce. If you are often using regularly YouTube, the battery will drain faster. So that by adjusting that resolution of that video,
Battery life and data will be saved.
if the quality of the video is higher, then the battery will drain faster. So either you have to go for a data saver for a average quality, or you can select advanced option. You have number of options. If you want an average quality, you can select a 240 or 360. Want to watch that for low resolution, you can just click 144. In this case, the battery drainage will reduce. This is for those who often use datas or your battery drainage problem. You can use these settings to reduce the battery drainage problem. If you have unwanted videos or you use some videos rarely,
you transfer it to pen drive through OTG.
or you have to share your files or you have to delete your files, so that the battery life will increase indirectly. The video is stored in flash drive only, which consumes lesser power, microwatts only. But actually, processor will take some time to find out your file, so that the battery will drain faster. If you have maximum RAM storage, won't drain your battery much. You have number of videos, the number of photos, the processor will take much time to process your data. The processing time will increase, which will drain your battery faster. So that transfer all your files to any other device, storage devices, external storage devices, so that your battery life will increase. If you search the website, you will find some good Android apps which will save the battery life, like Battery Guru, Kill Apps, GSAM Battery Monitor, Accu Battery. These are all some apps. These apps increase the battery life by optimizing the battery. It will stop Android running in the background. It will kill apps running in the background. Some apps may make your phone in hibernation mode. These are some apps you can use. Your battery life will increase. But if you are watching any of the videos from Sony Live, Hotstar, low quality, battery heating will reduce. For these videos, you get ad-free subscription for apps like Hotstar, YouTube, etc., so that your data will be saved. At the same time, your battery life will increase because the battery will drain lesser. If you watch regularly movies, then your battery will be affected more, so that you get a ads free subscription, so that your battery will be saved. If you go to the Play Store, you will find apps like Instagram Lite, Facebook Lite, like that. You often use these apps. These apps drain lesser battery than the Facebook and the Instagram apps. Use an external battery which will be available in the websites like Flipkart Power Bank, or you buy it in mobile shops, so that your battery drainage will reduce.
Please like this video, share